Hello, welcome to another HubSpot how-to video brought to you by Ucidity. So if you are tracking KPIs in HubSpot and wondering how to generate reports on a dashboard that show you how people are performing against those KPIs, then keep watching. So what we're going to be able to do is jump into the reporting section, the goal setting section of HubSpot. This is available in a professional version of HubSpot and above. So if you've got sales professional, marketing professional, you can start tracking these types of goals. So go reporting, then goals. Now, if you haven't set up already, you can set up individual goals for a person. So we can click create goal, create from scratch. We can click things like call goals, revenue goals, lead generation goals. So you can actually set up a performance goal and then measure how someone's performing against it. So I've already set up mine. We do have other videos which tells you how to set up these goals already. So click into the goal and you'll notice that within the goal performance, so you've got the user performance in the summary screen, we can either set the goal, which is where we're setting our individual targets in here, or we can go back to our goals and we'll see our performance. So as an example, if I want to see the actual performance versus what the goal is and add that to an existing dashboard, all I need to do is the very right hand side here, click on the save report option, choose the dashboard. So if you don't have one yet, you can choose a new one, but I'm going to add this to an existing dashboard. I'm going to search for my sales team KPIs dashboard, click save and add, and then go to my dashboard. Now I'm going to end up with two because I have done this previously, but what you'll end up happening is that you've got all of the report outcomes here and then the goals. So we can do similar with revenue, lead gen, deal generations, other types of reports. But that is a quick summary of how to add reports to track KPIs. Now, if you liked this video and another one, which is of huge interest right now to our clients and to our prospects and anyone who uses HubSpot, is the marketing buyer intent. So if you haven't looked at this yet, this is an area of HubSpot where HubSpot will tell you what companies have been viewing your website. A lot of companies have no idea that particular companies are viewing their website. And the way this works is that we can filter based on our target market and then also generate a list for our sales team to then follow up with those specific companies. So if you would love more information on this buyer intent section, how it works and how it can drive additional revenue for your business, click on the linked video. Otherwise, if you love this video, please subscribe, please like and comment, and I'll see you in our next video. Thanks again for watching.